Hey, sneeze ninjas! Ready to master the art of silent sneezing? First, when you feel the sneeze coming, gently press a finger under your nose. It's like hitting the mute button. Next, try to breathe in through your mouth and out through your nose. Think of it as the stealth mode for sneezes. And if that doesn't work, here's the pro tip. Pretend you're sipping a really hot soup. The focus helps you control the sneeze. Lastly, if all else fails, sneeze into the crook of your elbow. It's quieter and way more polite. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep trying and soon you'll be a sneeze ninja. Happy sneezing.